Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight it is cold and snowy, so we are going to make something that's going to warm us from the inside out. We are going to make some loaded potato soup. So come on along while we get this started. All right, friends, so let's get started on making our loaded potato soup. So in my stainless steel pot, I've chopped up 6 strips of bacon. And we're gonna go ahead and get that cooked. All right, friends, so our bacon is nice and crispy. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out and reserve this for later. All right, friends, now we're gonna go in 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna leave that lard in there because we are gonna use it. Go ahead and with your onions. All right, get these all cooked up. While you're sauteing your onions, go ahead and scrape the bottom of your pan and get up all that delicious goodness. All that right there is flavor. You don't want to leave that behind, so go ahead and do a nice scraping. And we're going to go in with some minced garlic. Give that a good stir. Now I got 1/3 of a cup of flour. And go ahead and give that a stir. All right, once your flour has been cooked in there a little bit, we're gonna go in with our broth. We need 4 cups of chicken broth. Go in with our diced potatoes, 2 cups of whole milk, and 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and just a little bit of chili powder, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Give this a nice stir. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and let this come up to a boil, and we're gonna keep cooking until our potatoes are fork tender. All right, friends, look at how thick this has come. So we're gonna go ahead and check our potatoes and see where they're at. So you want them fork tender to be able to stab them very easily. I would say this is about done. All right, friends, last step is to go ahead and blend half of this up because you want to keep those little chunks of potato, some of them in there. So you can either use an immersion blender like I have here, or you can use a stand blender. Friends, by doing that, this added just a little bit more creaminess to it, but you still have some chunks of potato if you like to have some texture in your soup. All right, let's go ahead and get this all plated up. All right, friends, so you can eat this just like this, or you can go ahead and top it off because this is loaded potato soup. I like some sour cream with some shredded cheese and our crispy bacon that we made earlier. And there we go, friends, loaded potato soup. All right, friends, now for the taste test. Who doesn't love big potatoes? And then just go ahead and make it a soup. Perfect on this cold, cold day. Pure heaven right there. All right, friends, this is definitely a recipe to try. I will leave it down in the description of exactly how I made this loaded potato soup. And friends, let me know in the comments what your favorite soup is on these cold winter days. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.